And my poems were the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache. I'm the pain, taking my message. I'm the vein, speaking my lesson. I'm the brain, seeing the beauty through.
घायल परिंदा है तू, दिखला दे जिंदा है तू, बाकी है तुझ में हौसला।